Hello everyone, welcome to Topic of the Day. My name is Kritika and in this video we will discuss about the India Central Asia Summit. Now recently the Prime Minister of India hosted the first India Central Asia Summit with 5 Central Asian republics. Now these 5 Central Asian republics are Kazakhstan, Kyrgyz Republic or Republic of Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Republic of Uzbekistan as you can see in the map. Also, the first India Central Asia Summit coincided with the 30th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between India and the Central Asian countries. If we talk about the key highlights of the summit, India put forward a 3-point agenda. First, about the regional security and stability, wherein we emphasized the holding of regular dialogues for common challenges of terrorism, extremism, and radicalization every 2 years. Then an India Central Asia Secretariat would be set up in New Delhi. Also welcome the Delhi Regional Security Dialogue on Afghanistan held on November 10, 2021. The countries reaffirmed their strong support for a peaceful, secure and stable Afghanistan with integrity and non-interference in the internal affairs. An emphasis was also made on the security of ICTs and data privacy. The second point was about the cooperation on effective structure, wherein the countries emphasized on India's initiative of One Sun, One World, One Grid, an international solar alliance that aims to promote the global interconnected solar energy infrastructure. Also, the role of Coalition of Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, CDRI. And the third one was about creating an aspirational roadmap. As the leaders noted, mutual connectivity is critical for enhanced trade and commerce between the Central Asian region and India. There were proposals for further cooperation on Roundtable on Energy and Connectivity, the Chabahar Port, joint counter-terrorism exercises, Ashgabat Agreement and International North-South Transport Corridor, which is the INSTC. Importance was laid on the Tapi pipeline and the joint counter-terrorism exercises, the Financial Action Task Force and global measures. So let's discuss about the significance of this meeting. It is important for further development of mutual connectivity and security. Also, it is important to mutually progress in trade and commerce sector. Such dialogues are also important to maintain a positive geopolitical dynamics. If we talk about some of the issues and what can be the way forward, first of all, we have to overcome the lack of land connectivity. That is, we have to give importance on increasing the accessibility to these areas. We have to mutually work on resolving the differences of opinions. The clearance of projects that have been on hold, like the Tapi pipeline project. Also, such dialogues are important in countering the influence of China by building mutual confidence. If we talk about India's interest in Central Asian region, it is a big market for goods and services, specifically the IT sector. It is also important for peace and security. It provides a link for dialogue with Taliban regime. The Tapi project to counter illegal drug trade, terrorism and the Chinese dominance. Now let us take up a practice question on this topic. Consider the following statements. First, Uzbekistan shares the western boundary with the Caspian Sea and Turkmenistan. Second, Fergana Valley was India's crossing point of the Great Silk Road. Which of the given above statements is correct? You can write your answers in the comment section below. So the correct answer is B. That is, only the second statement is correct. So this was all for today's topic of the day. For regular updates, you can follow us on our social media handles. And to read these topics in depth, you can check out the current affairs section on our website. And for more such videos, do stay tuned to the next IAS YouTube channel.